The State Route 71 Blackbird remains one of the most legendary aircraft ever conceived, and viewing it through a 2026 lens only amplifies its mystique. Even decades after its retirement, the Blackbird still represents the absolute peak of Cold War aerospace engineering, a machine so advanced that much of its performance envelope has yet to be publicly matched. Its reputation as the fastest operational jet aircraft ever built continues to dominate aviation discussions, documentaries, and defense analyses worldwide. From a design perspective, the State Route 71 still looks futuristic in 2026. Its sharp chines, elongated fuselage, and stealth-conscious shaping feel more aligned with modern 5th and 6th generation concepts than with aircraft of its own era. Built primarily from titanium to withstand extreme heat at Mach 3+, the Blackbird was engineered to survive conditions that would destroy most conventional airframes, a feat that remains astonishing even by today's standards. Performance is where the State Route 71 truly transcends time. Capable of cruising above 85,000 feet and accelerating beyond Mach 3.2, it operated in an altitude and speed regime that rendered most enemy defenses ineffective. In a modern context, these figures are still jaw-dropping, especially when compared to today's emphasis on stealth drones and subsonic ISR platforms. The SR-71's philosophy was simple and brutal. If threatened, it didn't evade, it outran everything. The propulsion system remains one of the most complex ever installed on an aircraft. The Pratt & Whitney J58 engines function more like hybrid turbojet ramjets at high speeds, with most thrust coming from the inlet system rather than the engine core. Even in 2026, aerospace engineers study this system as a benchmark of innovation, and no production aircraft has fully replicated its operational efficiency at sustained hypersonic adjacent speeds. Operationally, the State Route 71 was unmatched in strategic reconnaissance. It could survey vast areas in a single mission, collecting intelligence faster than satellites could be repositioned. In today's age of space-based surveillance, this ability still feels relevant, especially as nations explore alternatives to satellites that are increasingly vulnerable to anti-space weapons. Crew experience aboard the Blackbird was intense and unforgiving. Pilots wore full-pressure suits similar to astronaut gear, managed complex fuel and thermal systems, and operated in an environment where small mistakes could be catastrophic. In a 2026 review context, this human-machine interface feels extreme compared to modern fly-by-wire and AI-assisted cockpits, yet it highlights the extraordinary skill demanded of its crews. Maintenance and operational costs were enormous, even by modern defense standards. The aircraft famously leaked fuel on the ground until it reached operating temperature, and each mission required meticulous planning and support. In today's efficiency-driven military landscape, such demands would be difficult to justify, yet they underscore the Blackbird's role as a no-compromise strategic asset. Survivability was achieved through speed and altitude rather than traditional stealth. While modern stealth aircraft rely on radar cross-section reduction, the State Route 71 relied on physics. Missiles launched at it rarely came close, and none ever successfully shot one down. In 2026, this approach feels almost rebellious compared to contemporary doctrine, yet its flawless combat record speaks volumes. Technologically, the SR-71's analog systems, early digital navigation, and primitive sensor fusion seem dated on paper, but they were revolutionary in execution. Many modern aerospace programs still draw lessons from its thermal management, materials science, and mission planning. Concepts. Its influence quietly lives on in classified programs rumored to be in development today. Culturally, the State Route 71 has achieved near-mythical status. It symbolizes an era when engineering ambition was unrestrained by budgets or public scrutiny, driven purely by strategic necessity. In a world increasingly focused on unmanned platforms, the Blackbird stands as a monument to human ingenuity and daring. Viewed from 2026, the State Route 71 Blackbird is not just an aircraft but a benchmark that continues to challenge modern aerospace thinking. It may never fly again, but its legacy still outruns time, reminding the world that true innovation can remain untouchable for generations.